I'm just going to show you how to use a free piece of software by Google called Picasa. It's going to show you how to install that. So if we go into our default web browser, I've got Firefox here, so I'm just going to pop into that. And into Google and type in Picasa. And it's the top option, Picasa 3. I'm just going to download that to the top. And we're going to save the file to our desktop. Or download location. I think standard area for downloads in Firefox is downloads folder. So I'm just going to, but obviously because I haven't stored it in my desktop, I'm just going to run the program from here, my downloads folder. So double click, and I'm going to click on run. Get rid of the folders, we don't need them anymore. Just going to minimize that. And click continue. Okay, normal license agreement, don't worry about the rest of that, you can give it a read if you wish. I'm just going to click agree. Make sure that's installing on the C drive / program files Google. Click next or install. Okay, and now that's all installed. We're just going to run through what we do need and what we don't. So we want to create a shortcut because I think it's a pretty good installation, pretty good file to use. Add shortcut to quick launch. If you know that you're going to use it quite a lot and you want it to launch up very quickly, keep that ticked, but don't want to put too many things in quick launch because then it will just start lagging the computer and make it run very, very slowly. I've already got Google set as my default search engine, but it's going to do that in Internet Explorer, so I'm going to untick that. Send anonymous usage stats to Google. Up to you really. Personally I'm not, but that's just me. It's up to you if you want to send weird anonymous usage stats. A bit daft, but must be for statistics on their website and stuff. And we want to click run for Picasa 3, so we're just going to hit finish. And there's the icon of the jumping. And we're going to open it up. What Picasa does, which is dead useful and dead handy, is that it scans your computer for any JPEG, PNG, bitmap, any format that Picasa recognises, and it will pick it up and add it to a catalogue of pictures that are on your computer, and I'll add it to a catalogue on the application, which is really, really handy. Saves you then importing it later. So you can select it whether it completely scans your entire computer. I would normally go for scan my documents and my pictures on the desktop. Because there's going to be loads of temporary or image files in applications that you may have on your computer that would be great for applications, but not something I suppose you would use to view on a regular basis using this program. So I'm going to tick this one and click continue. Fastest thing, yeah, blah blah blah. These are the image formats that they can find or will be used within this application. So we're happy with that. Use as default viewer, yeah, we're going to do that. If you use Photoshop or any other image application, you might want to untick that because if you need to get into that other program and you double click on an icon. An icon that has that file format, it will go into this rather than the one that you normally use. So it's up to you. I don't have anything on there at the moment, so I'm just going to use this. So click on finish. It hasn't found any pictures on my computer because I haven't anything in those particular directories. What I'm going to do is I'm going to import some images from a CD that I've got. So I'm going to click on import, and it's already detected my CD drive, and it's just going to show me all the pictures that are in there. These are iPhone screensavers that I like using, so I'm just going to import them all. You can basically, it's asking to create a folder or a theme that you can create. So you would jump into that theme and know what pictures you've got in there. So I'm going to call it iPhone wallpaper. Additional photo information. You can go in each individual photo and give it where you took it, a description of it. It's really it's quite a good application if you really want to get into photography. But I'm just going to call it that for the moment. And also, where do you want them stored? I'm going to say exactly that same location, my pictures, and that's what it's going to be called. So I'm cool with that. So click finish, and here we go. These are all the cool ones. So if you want to view them, edit them and such, you just click on it and it will give you the image you just clicked on, and you can start editing them to your heart's content. If you've got a picture that you've taken with a camera and it's got red eye, it does a auto red eye reduction. I'll show you most of what Picasa can do in another video, but this was just a simple installation and also grabbing in files and pictures and such from a CD. It pretty much worked the same way. If you had a camera plugged in, it will pick it up the same way that way. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and if you need any more videos, contact me on my website on www.cabal.com. Thanks very much. Bye.